So nasa elementary tayo sa Miss. Okay, sumasais. May sumasais na. So 10-8 lang mga Parañaque.
And Comuning Elementary School of Quezon City. Our referees for this match were
elementary to guys, elementary. Medyo hindi ko gusto yung spot natin. Pasensya mga ka-sisters. Papakita ko lang ang nangyayari sa NCR Meet 2024 Elementary Girls.
Let's go, Pelicans! Let's go! Let's go, Pelicans! Let's go! Let's go! Pelicans! Let's go, Pelicans! Ayan, nakuha mo ulit! Oh! Naman?
Nakatuwa yung mga elementary nito, my God. Pero kasi semis na to kaya paluan sila guys. Service by QC. Naglalaban pala ngayon QC and Parañaque guys. QC Parañaque. Grabe, both skillful. Oh my God. Outside. Grabe yung number 11 ng Parañaque, number 9. High school sila gumalaw. Service again by QC. Number 11 matapang. Palo ng palo. Oh, grabe. Another papalo din. Sapa. Oh, grabe. Sorry guys, hindi ko sila matatapos per game. Tapos nakikita nyo lang, grabe rin yun, number 9. Babawi daw sa isa pa. Nablock yata siya. Akalain nyo guys, elementary girls to pero hampasan sila ng hampasan. My God, ang galing. Kudos to the coaches. O diba, nahabol pa. Elementary ba yun? Oh my God. Lamang ang QC ngayon sa first set. Ay. May robot na naman. Another Papalo ang tres. 24 na ang QC. 24 na ang QC. First set ang QC over Paranaque. Saka second set.